So in this video, I'll quickly show you how to use a Kmart air fryer. We have this 3-liter air fryer from Kmart, and it's fairly easy because on top you'll have instructions on how long to cook particular food and what temperature you need. So I have here a pork chop. I've already seasoned it with salt and pepper, and then I would put it on 180 degrees, and I'll probably cook it for 20 minutes and flipping to one side after 10 minutes. Okay, so I've already put the pork chop right there. Okay, just close that and then just put on 180 and then make sure it's on 20 minutes and then start. So it'll also show the time on how long there's left in cooking your meal, and that's what I like on using the air fryer as well, because like compared to your oven, you don't have to set like your separate timer for like the preheat and stuff. And also I don't usually preheat the air fryer. I think you still can, but if I would preheat it, I'll just preheat for like 5 minutes and then I'll put in the meat already. Okay, so 2 minutes left before we flip the pork chop. And just a quick one, I'd just like to say that I would recommend getting the Kmart air fryer. Besides the fact that it's the cheapest one out there, as far as I know. This is the 3-liter Kmart air fryer for $69 AUD. It's the cheapest, it does the job. It's not really smoky. I know there's like a vent at the back right there, but it doesn't make the room smoky. You'll just feel the room warm a little, but it's not that bad. You could still smell the meat that you're cooking, but yeah, you won't see the actual smoke coming out from it. Okay, so let's flip it in 1 minute. Okay, so this is what it looks like after 10 minutes. As you would notice, or as I have noticed, the one on the outer side is usually where it dries up. Where the meat dries up, and then if you flip it, you notice that it's moist under. Okay, so I'll just cook it on that side. And what I do, I'd turned up the I would turn up the temperature if I wanted if I want more color, if I want it crispier. But if you just want your meat plain like that, then yeah, you could leave it for 180 minutes as it says on the air fryer. And then I would also want to note that I didn't use any oil on this, so no spray, no anything. So it's just cooking with its with the actual oil from the pork chop. So that's also one reason I like the air fryer. It's, well, just a bit healthy, I guess, and it'll just turn off by itself. Like it'll beep like your microwave once it's done, and you're good to go. So I'll put this back for the rest of the 10 minutes, and I'll cook it with 200 degrees. Okay, so after the last 10 minutes using the 200 degrees Celsius temperature, this is what it looks like. So as I've said, it's got more color, it's crispier, and yeah, it looks like that. It looks fried on an actual pan with oil. So I just serve this with buttered peas and corn, and we're good to go. So please like this video if you did, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching.